Hi, welcome to Steps Ballroom Online. This video will serve as our Week 8 recap video for our Cha-Cha 2 live stream class series. If you would like to be a part of our future live stream classes, we will have a new session starting in January of 2021, so please stay tuned to this channel for updates coming soon. Do make sure you like and subscribe, but also hit that notification bell so you receive updates for whenever we post a new video. This session will be tackling the truncated final form of our full sequence for our Cha-Cha 2 series. And then just for fun at the end, we'll be throwing in our challenge step, which is just a one-off pattern that we put in our final class. So let's get started. Okay, so for our 8th week final recap of our whole series for Cha-Cha 2, we're going to eliminate as many of those filler basics as we had in between our sequences as possible. So we're going to start with one basic step to get ourselves moving. We will lead into the crossover with grapevine. Again, we're only doing 2 repetitions, one down, one back, of the crossover with grapevine motion, leading ourselves out with a double walk around turn. We are going to connect the half measure at the end of the walk around turn to a quarter turn immediately. Once we've done our quarter turn, we're going to take that next measure of basic going through to switch to palm position so that we can link immediately to the locking triples progressive on the next full measure. We're going to do 1 repetition of the locking triples going down and back and then exiting out to the side immediately. The exit, we're going to go not a full basic, but just that half basic leading out to drop the arm down for open break into Manhattan. We do the Manhattan motion, and we are going to eliminate all the basics in between Manhattan, going right into the sliding door off of the fall out from the Manhattan on the back rock. We will have the still 4 measures worth of back and forth on the sliding door, getting out on the 5th one with the free spin for the follower. As soon as the follower is complete with the free spin and we connect into that half measure of basic to connect frame, as soon as we finish out of that, we're going to go right into the paseo without the extra basic in between. Paseo is a complete pattern all the way through. Once we complete paseo, you can return to basic to either finish your sequence or repeat the whole thing. Now let's take that whole sequence with our partner with the music. The tempo before you go is prep, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, ready, 5, 6, 7, and prep, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, leading crossover here, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, grapevine goes, 1, 2, 3, 4, rock, step, grapevine goes, 1, 2, 4, rock, step, getting out, double turn, cha-cha, rock, step to quarter turn, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, double hands. Here's your progressive go, cha-cha 1, cha-2, cha-3, rock, step, cha-cha 1, cha-cha 2. Getting out to Manhattan, open break, bring her around, sliding door, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, last one, racer here, turn, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, paseo goes, cha-cha-cha, over, back, flick, step, lock, step here, scissor, spin, cha cross, over, step, getting out, step, pick it back up, finish out to basic, and repeat the whole series. So for our last class of each session, as is tradition, we tend to throw in a challenge step. The challenge step isn't something that we necessarily make part of our normal series. It's something that we do just for fun on our last session of class. For our Cha-Cha 2 class, our challenge pattern is going to be crossover with a reverse syncopated ronde traveling through the middle. Now with our challenge patterns for these recaps, we don't do a full breakdown, rather we're going to do a quick demonstration video for you. If you have any future questions, you can reach out to us via email or through social media to find more information about the step. We're going to take that demonstration, we're going to do it without even putting a basic on the beginning of it. So let's take that with our partner with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and prep, rock, step, lead the crossover, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Getting out, recover, connect to your partner, and bring it out to a basic cha-cha-cha. So keep working with that material. I want to thank you for joining us for our live stream class sessions. If you would like to join us again next quarter in January of 2021, please stay tuned on this channel for more information which will be coming soon. Do also make sure you like and subscribe. It really does help us out here at this channel. But otherwise, keep practicing, and I will see you in our next lesson.